What if I told you? What if I whispered a secret, a game-changing revelation that could alter the course of your financial future? I could hand you the blueprint, the very map that leads to untold riches and success on the world's biggest video platform. The blueprint to making millions on YouTube, right now, completely free of charge. Imagine the possibilities. Today I'm revealing the 12 most profitable YouTube niches, the golden opportunities that are ripe for the taking. I'm breaking down exactly why these niches work so well, dissecting their appeal, and showing you precisely how you can start capitalizing on them today. This isn't just another generic list of ideas you've seen 1,000 times before. It's your launchpad, your personal springboard, to achieving true financial freedom and living the life you've always dreamed of. So, grab a notebook and a pen, silence your phone, turn off all distractions, and get ready to absorb some seriously valuable information. Because this information, if applied correctly, could fundamentally change your life and set you on a path to unprecedented success. Let's dive headfirst into the first and quite possibly the most powerful and lucrative YouTube niche that exists today. First up, personal finance. Everyone wants more money, and this niche is exploding. Teach budgeting, investing, or share your own financial journey. The audience is huge, and advertisers pay top dollar. Build trust, provide real value, and you'll create a loyal, profitable community. Next, let's delve into the world of investing and trading. This area presents both significant opportunities and considerable challenges. Stocks, crypto, real estate, these are just some of the avenues people explore when looking to grow their wealth. In today's financial landscape, people crave strategies and insights to effectively grow their money and secure their financial futures. Offer live trades, providing real-time examples of market activity. Explain market trends, giving your audience a deeper understanding of the forces at play. Or break down complex topics simply, making financial concepts accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior knowledge. Be honest about risks. Transparency is key in building a credible platform. Build trust with your audience by providing reliable and well-researched information. And you'll attract a die-hard, valuable audience, eager to learn and engage with your content. This is a niche for experts, those with proven track records and in-depth knowledge, or those willing to dedicate themselves to learning and becoming one, constantly expanding their expertise. Entrepreneurship and side hustles, perfect for dreamers and builders. Share real stories, side hustle experiments, or step-by-step guides to starting a business. Monetize with courses, coaching, and affiliate deals. Your audience wants to invest in their own success. Empower people and you'll profit while making a difference. Fitness and weight loss. Timeless, universal, and always in demand. Show real transformations, create workout routines, or share nutrition tips. Authenticity is key. Build a supportive community and monetize with sponsorships, plans, and coaching. Change lives and your channel will thrive. Healthy eating and nutrition help people eat better, feel better, and live better. Share recipes, meal preps, or nutrition science. Beautiful food visuals are a bonus. Partner with brands, sell ebooks, or offer meal plans. Solve the daily, what should I eat? Problem, and you'll always have an audience. Mental health and self-improvement, one of the fastest growing niches. Offer mindfulness tips, productivity hacks, or share your own journey. Be real and empathetic. Build trust, and your audience will support you. Monetize with sponsorships, courses, or coaching while making a real impact. Dating and relationships, timeless, relatable, and always relevant. Give practical advice, share stories or role-play scenarios, be relatable and actionable, monetize with sponsorships, coaching, and courses. Help people connect and they'll invest in your guidance. Marriage and family. Focus on long-term relationships, parenting, and real-life challenges. Share authentic stories, tips, and hacks for family life. Build a tight-knit community and partner with family brands. Grow with your audience as their families evolve. Tech and gadgets, endless new products, endless content. Unbox, review, and compare the latest tech. Be thorough and honest. Monetize with high CPMs, affiliate links, and big sponsorships. If you love tech, this niche is a goldmine. Luxury and lifestyle showcase the dream life, supercars, mansions, first-class travel. Create cinematic, aspirational content that's highly shareable. Attract high-end sponsors and build a brand associated with success. Sell the dream, and your channel becomes a destination. Education and how-to. Teach any skill, solve real problems, and build lasting value. Break down complex topics simply. Tutorials have a long shelf life. Monetize with courses, ebooks, and affiliate links. If you love teaching, this niche is both profitable and respected. Gaming. YouTube's entertainment powerhouse. Play, review, or stream. Build a community around your personality or skills. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, merch, and fan support. If you love gaming, this is your playground. So, there you have it. A curated list of the 12 most profitable YouTube niches, each brimming with potential and opportunities for growth. These are niches that have proven their ability to generate revenue and build a loyal audience. The opportunity to create something amazing is right in front of you, waiting to be seized. It's time to take the leap and transform your ideas into reality. The only thing left to do now is to start. Begin creating content, building your brand, and connecting with your audience. The big question is, which niche will you choose to dominate? Which area sparks your passion and aligns with your skills? Let me know your decision in the comments below. I'm eager to hear which path you're choosing to embark on. For even more valuable tips and in-depth strategies, be sure to grab the free guide waiting for you in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one, packed with actionable advice and insights. And most importantly, join our growing community of future millionaires, all striving for success and supporting each other along the way. Your incredible journey to success starts right now with this very first step.